Alright, time for another update video. Um, as I said, I was able to install all of the RAM in here. I haven't powered everything on to test it, but I was able to get, the one that I tested immediately works, so I assume the other ones will. I'm not, using the colored braid for these ones because, I want to keep the, set of 5 in case I need it for other things. So I am using these ones with the colored tips that I had terminated a while back to indicate what is connected where. So as long as I remember, I have to do my Ethernet testing, but I should be able to match this tip to, I didn't really check, but these tips, which are individually different shaped, to these 3 different colors. I don't want to re-terminate them because these cables are super old and kind of flimsy, so I'm not able to actually terminate them properly. Yeah, so I don't want to waste the colorful cables on something that's only 3 of them, but so one of them is going to this router, which I have to configure. I have to configure this one. But right now, again, I'm kind of working on and off, because, I ordered more, as I said, I had ordered more of the, power cables for Black Friday because I was kind of running out of them, and I didn't have enough for everything that I needed. But, this is going to be on its own zone. There's another one of these downstairs that I am going to grab and trade with one of these other power strips. But then I can sort of figure out where to keep the power distribution system in such a way that I am able to maintain the zonality and the modularity of the system. For example, if I was trying to expand the units and connect them to this bottom calyx or the other one in my room with the bigger one, the bigger calyx, you can just easily plug them into them without having to change the way that the power system is set up. But the way that this is designed is that they are designed to not exceed the maximum wattage of each power strip. That in turn emulates even a sense of zonality where each, in this case, it's going to be not one calyx, well, not 2 different calyxes, but one stack here being on one zone, and this stack being a separate zone. I'm not really sure if I will get to that server and my desktop as zone 3, but it depends on what I manage to do with this system. I may not necessarily have 3 separate zones. I may just keep this on zone 2, because I don't necessarily want to have to configure this completely separate router, and the topology of the system would be a little bit complicated to sort of set this up as its own zone without yeah, so if I can get this one working, talking to this one, then it should be scalable to this one. But this is not currently my priority. This is like future expansion should I decide to set this up. But right now I'm just trying to get this system set up and, have the minimum viable 2 zones set up. But I managed to get all of this set up. Going to manage my power distribution. And right now I need to set up my VGA stuff, and maybe I'll just keep this as it is, because that's all plugged in. But the problem was that I think that I didn't have enough here to plug into everything, but we'll see. That's just the update for now.